Hey guys, I am home from the salon and I am designing my nails. So I just wanted to show y'all. I'm doing one of the busy designs that I like on my nails because I didn't have any ideas. We're at the end of February. We got like 2 more weeks in February. And I wanted to still stay in with the pink, pink and red or Valentine's Day color scheme. So I'm going in with different colors. This is a glitter color that I'm going in with. And once again, with my nails being curved, I have to do 2 or 3 colors and then cure it. 2 or 3 colors and then cure it, because if not, it will roll. The polish will roll. The polish will run to the left. It'll run to the right, and it kind of builds a ball. Like when it runs like that, it builds a ball. And I don't like bulky nails on the side, so then I got to drill or clip the ball off. Because gel polish, once it dries, you have to drill it off or clip it off. So I try to do like 2 nails at a time to save time, but sometimes I be polishing one nail and then on the next nail the polish is moving. That is the aggravating part about curved nails, but I love curved nails. I wish they were even more curved than this. I have thought about curving them again, which means cutting them down some and curving them again, but every time I think about it, I'm like, you know what, it's really not worth it, because once my nails grow out, I lose the curve. So it's like I could curve them, but my nails don't naturally do the curve that I want. I want a curve and a flip and a back flip. You understand what I'm saying? And once my nails grow out, I lose that. So I'm like, it's not even worth me going through all that work to curve these nails. And a month from now or 2 months from now, they're not even going to be curved no more. So, but every time I see somebody with the long curved nails that's like wrapping around, oh, yes, I love it. I love it. I love it. I wish my nails would just wrap around, but they don't. They kind of curve out and grow at different angles instead of wrapping. And I kind of wish they would just wrap around. I really love that look. That's just me. Nobody else. So I'm just sitting here watching TV and doing 2 or 3 nails at a time. And it's very time consuming, so I don't like to hold y'all for a long time. This is me doing the stripes. And the stripes is tricky too, because I will do a stripe and it'll roll, or the line won't go straight. And I'm doing my non-dominant hand first. I try to do my right hand first because that takes me the longest. Trying to work with my left hand takes me the longest. So if I look like I'm going slow or whatever, y'all, this is my non-dominant hand that I'm doing first. And I'm trying to get these lines on point. I did mess up a few times and have to wipe it off. That's the good thing. If you mess up the lines with gel polish, you can wipe it off with alcohol or polish remover. But it is very time consuming. So like, it takes me, this design took me like a little over an hour and a half to do, just because there were so many parts to it, and just because I couldn't paint all 10 nails and put them under the lamp like your nail girl does. I have to do 2 nails under the lamp, 2 nails under the lamp. So it just takes a little bit more time. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. Everything's been going good with my nail girl. She's been moving a little bit faster lately. Like, she still kind of gets there a little late, but it seems like she's getting me out of there in an hour. It used to be an hour and a half, and it depends on what we do too. But she's been getting me out of there roughly at right around an hour. Unless she has to do my toes, then it's a few extra minutes. I get my toes done to her like every other visit if I feel need to. My toenails don't grow as fast. This is me putting the stones on, you guys. I mean the dots. Sorry, I'm doing the dots. My toes do grow fast, but not as fast as my nails. Don't know why. So I don't get my toes done as often. I get them done like every other time or every third time, because it's just not necessary. So right here I'm putting black dots, and then I'm putting white dots, and then I put some red dots. Y'all will see it. I just went all crazy with the design, because I just didn't have anything in mind. So I got to get it together for March. I'm ready for March and April. I'm ready for Easter. I'm ready for my birthday. Like I said, I need to get on Shein and Temu and order my stuff. Cause what? I need my stuff for the Lolo. Okay. This is what the first hand is looking like, and I'm gonna go in with the second hand, and then I will come back and show you guys the finished product. All right, and so here I'm putting the stones on the other hand. So just to show you guys how tedious it is, especially when I get ready to do my birthday nails, I have to lay a row of stones, cure it. Like I said again, they're going to slide. They're going to move because this isn't just a flat nail tip. My nails have curves. It's like falling off a cliff. So you put the stone on, it slide to the left like the cha-cha. Then it slide to the right like the cha-cha, you know? So it's like time consuming because I have to lay 5 or 6 stones and then cure them for 2 or 3 seconds just to get them to not move. And then I have to put more glue or more top coat, lay more stones, see what I'm saying, and put them under there. So it can be time consuming, but I don't mind doing it when I do it for my birthday. I'm not gonna mind doing it. And I don't think I'm gonna do the whole nail for my birthday because I would be there all day, like half a day, seriously, if I did the whole entire nail. So I think for my birthday I'm gonna do half nails. So yeah. Hey guys, okay, I am done. I really didn't have any idea what I was going to do, and it's still February, so I kind of wanted to keep in with the pink whatever, but I don't know. I don't like this hand. I kind of like this hand better. Y'all tell me what y'all think. So anyways, I wanted to do the busyness. I did the rhinestones on the pinky because I'm getting ready to prepare for my birthday nails, and y'all know my birthday nails be all blinged out, so I got to get ready to order stones and stuff. But I don't know what's going on with the T-Man and Sheen and Temu, but I need to get a lot of stones, and I should have been ordered them, but I didn't because I felt like I had time. But now if we're not going to get packages of them, like the nail supply store that I found down here, it's like double the price of what I can get. So I don't know. I probably need to go ahead and do my order. So this hand, if you can tell, it's a little bit different. So this hand, and I'll turn the camera around so y'all can see as always, has more colors than this hand. I kind of took some of the colors away from this hand because of how I was feeling about it. So let me show y'all. Okay. So this is the first hand. And I think I got 3 or 4 colors going in here. I have a pink, a red, which you really even can't tell, a purple, and then a glitter pink. I don't know. It just, when I finished it, I just didn't like it. Luckily, this set is only going to be for 2 weeks. I didn't like it. And I didn't feel like drilling it all off. But this is my right hand. Y'all tell me which one y'all like better, or if you really can't tell the difference. It's going to aggravate me for 2 weeks. But anyway, I don't know why I don't like it. And I tried to throw some stones on this finger because when I first had it plain with no stones, I really didn't like it. And then I said, okay, let me throw some stones on this finger. I like it a little bit better, but I just don't like my right hand. I got to order more stones so when I get ready to bling out my nails, I can fully cover the nails. And I want to order some big stones and little stones so I can kind of go in with little and big. Otherwise, it's going to take me forever. And I'm not sure if I'm going to bling out every nail or just some of the nails. But yeah, so this is my right hand. It's not going to be my favorite hand for the next 2 or 3 weeks. It's not. All right, so this is my left hand. And for some reason, I like the left hand better. I did purple and red only. I didn't incorporate the other pink. And I did not incorporate, y'all probably can't even see it. Hold on. Okay, so on the right hand, there is purple, red, a pink, and a glitter red. And the red and pink, y'all can't even tell the difference, really. This is the right hand. It was just, there's the pink right there. There's the red. There's the purple and the glitter. I don't know. All right. So the left hand I like a little bit better. I just stuck with 2 colors, red and purple. And that's what I should have did from the jump. Because I had already said to myself that I'm going to do red and purple nails next for the ending of February. I don't know what made me put all them other crazy behind colors in now. But I had already told myself that. And then I just came home and did something totally different. So I do like the left hand better. Y'all let me know if you can't tell the difference or do this is the left hand. Okay. This is the right hand. Y'all let me know. It's the blinged out pinky. I'm practicing my bling. I still have space in there. I like using the reflective glitter polish with the bling because it kind of takes away from where you left space. But when I do get ready to bling my nails out, like I said, they gonna be full. I might do each nail halfway because trying to do the whole nail even down to the base was a lot. But I'm going to go ahead and look into ordering my stones and see if they come. If not, I'm going to have to go to the nail supply store here. And I don't get as much bang for my buck at the nail supply store. That's the problem with that. But we just gonna, what can we do? What can we do? I don't have no comment for Mr. T. He got that pen. And so I love Shein and Temu. It's going to affect a lot of us. I don't know what he's doing. But I need my stones. So I'm also going to check Michael's. But Michael's, you definitely don't get more bang for your buck at Michael's. I do know that. I used to buy stones from Michael's before. And, hold on, my camera messing up. And while they have, you know, good stones and decent stones, I know I'm not going to get more bang for my buck from Michael's. So yeah, so this is the left hand. And I'm going to let y'all see. And this is the right hand. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and do my cuticle oil. I already put extra base around my cuticles. I need to do my builder gel. So y'all see where the nails are growing up. You can see where I put the builder gel. And then as the nails grow, you just add more builder gel to the bottom. And then for those of you with questions, if it fixes, you add more builder gel to the sides. Because as you grow your nails out, you will notice that the sides start to separate. So you have to put the builder gel on the sides as well. Okay? When you're doing the builder gel. So that's the last step that I have to do is go in with my builder gel. I don't need too much on the bottom, but I always like to pay attention. I like to put a flashlight right on the sides and see if I need any more builder gel on the sides so I don't get any cracks or separation. All right? So if you have any questions,